What's up guys, I'm Zach and welcome back to another video. Now today it is a super special one. Your eyes are not deceiving you. The thumbnail, the description, it is all correct. Today we're looking at the Balenciaga cargo sneaker. Now honestly, from the moment I laid eyes on this pair online through their runway, I knew I had to grab them, especially to show you guys and selfishly to treat myself. Now I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little bit tired. It is quite late at night, so as you can see just to the right to me there, I do have a Red Bull can to keep me alive, to keep me pumped to unbox these sneakers for you. Now I will be taking a gap once I unbox them, and I'll try them on and give you a proper review at the end of this video to give my honest thoughts after a day or two wearing the pair. However, I think without further ado, I have got the box just to the right of me, so we are going to get my real live reaction. I'll try and move back here just so you can see a bit more of the box. Now this box, I don't know if you can see, by comparison it is huge. Now I'm just trying to think, where do we start? Okay, it's a simple one. Now I'll try and move back here just so we can get a little bit more of a view. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, we got this, don't worry. Certified unboxer. That's it coming up. All right, this is it. Let's unbox these bad boys. Alright, there we go. We've got the big Balenciaga box right there. Huge, by the way. The box of this is actually massive. Let's just take that out. As you can see, like, man, comparison to my head, this is huge. Get rid of this one here. And let me have a look at these bad boys. I think it's only right that I sort of bring the camera down and give you a little bit of a closer angle as I unbox these before giving out my honest opinion. Let me just quickly move forward here. Okay, now that you're down with me, I know I'm sort of cutting off a little bit of my head here, but I want to open this with you. I want to savor this moment with you guys. So, alright, let's unbox these sneakers. Beautiful. We've got a little note from Balenciaga. Beautiful. Good to see. Got some spare extra white laces there. And, alright. Beautiful Balenciaga dust bag as well. Not too bad. But let's get into the meat of this package. This is it. This is the sneakers. Man, these, I don't know if you guys can see it, but these look so sick. They are massive. They're huge. That is the Balenciaga cargo sneaker right there. Holy moly, that is massive. Let me just quickly fix up the camera and I'll quickly give a little bit of my initial thoughts on this pair. Now that we're back at sort of an angle where you can see me at least, just gotta... Oh man, this is epic. These are huge though, like that's like my arm there as comparison. Like, it is long. Holy moly, what is that? That is crazy. That is so sick though. I really love especially the use of this Balenciaga logo here. As you can see all around, it's just distressed. You've got that markings like it's a worn pair, and it just adds a little, like, adds a bit more dimension to the sneaker. Man, it definitely feels very premium. Look at that chunky sole right there. That is insane, man. That is crazy. All right, get out the other pair here. All right, just for comparison there to my size, oh, look, yeah, it's crazy. Like, these are massive. But you know, I will say, for the size, like, it's actually not as heavy as you would like expect it to be, I guess. Like, it actually feels like reasonable. Of course, it's gonna be a bit heavier than a typical sneaker you're gonna pick up from something like Nike or Adidas, but it's honestly not even that bad. I say this right now while looking at it and holding it with my hands. Picking it up with my feet might be a different story, but off my initial thoughts, I think this is really sick. one of the details I really like, especially like you get it on the Nike Air Force Ones and a few other pairs like that, is just the eyelet there that goes through the laces. As you can see if that will focus there, you've got a Balenciaga one, which I just think looks epic. Man, and I really love this colorway, especially considering like the yellow, the gray, the distressing all around, the black. I think it's just a really great color combo. It's not overbearing or anything like that. Man, I can't wait to get these ones on feet. Of course, Balenciaga style, you have got the sizing there on the back, which is a size 44. Unfortunately, I am a size 45 in most sneakers. However, they only had a 44 left, so I thought I'll just bite the bullet, try out the 44, and hopefully it fits well. Assuming the size, I'm going to hope that it does, but man, I know I'm a little bit gasped for words here and just sort of stumbling around, but like, I just want to make sure that your perspective of how big this is coming through the camera, because man, this is a huge thing. Actually, for comparison, this is the best comparison. You've got an Air Force One here. This is a size 12. Let's just grab that off there, and that is it right there. That it's just huge. Like, I would say it's like an extra half shoe on top of a regular shoe. Like, that is insane. As you can see, I obviously need more shoes by the fact that I have to store shoes now on the top of my chest of drawers. And man, this is going to take up the room of 2 sneakers. With that being said, guys, that is my first thoughts and initial impressions on this bad boy. I am going to try it on probably tomorrow, considering it is late. I am tired. I might jump in, have a shower now. I'll come back in 2 days, give you my honest thoughts, review on this cargo sneaker by Balenciaga.